I will ask some random question and you have to answer me in that way. Even if you are not ready to speak in English, so you can use Hindi.
Yes.
In the middle of the conversation, you can use Hindi sentences.
Yes, sir.
So, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. If you have like any fear, so you can tell me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, don't look at camera.
Okay, sir.
I think you are looking at the camera. You can look at me, otherwise you can look at person. You can look at your friend like Jia, like Manisha and everybody. Right?
Yes, sir.
So कैसे होता है कि लोगों को हम देखेंगे हम तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. Right now they all are serious. Nobody
Yes.
is laughing at you
Yes,
except your sister.
Yes.
She is laughing. I don't know why, but anyway,
Yes, sir.
let her go. You let me know one thing. Why are you learning English? Why?
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to say something about here.
Yeah.
So, what you say, sir? Please
Yeah.
repeat.
I asked you, why are you learning English? What is the reason behind it?
So, why I am learning English?
Yes.
Sir, I am learning English because behind this a lot of reason.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, English is very important for everyone, every person. Behind any successful person, behind any job, behind anything,
Right.
English is related to. Without English, we can't do any job. We have a lot of skill,
Right.
but we don't know about English. Then we can't find any job, and we can't find any success.
We can't implement our skill in
Yes,
that
sir.
particular work if
Yes,
you're not
sir.
able to speak in Hindi, speak in English,
Yes.
and like you will not be able to implement your skills. लेकिन but when it comes to speak in English, पर भैया हमें कुछ मालूम ही नहीं.
Yes, sir.
हिंदी में मालूम है, इंग्लिश में मालूम नहीं, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? How is it possible?
Yes, sir.
So if even you know how to speak English, so you can implement your skill,
Yes, sir.
right? अपने स्किल को दिखा सकते हैं,
Sir.
लोग जान सकते हैं, आपसे जुड़ सकते हैं. और also it's a kind of confidence booster.
Yes.
अगर आपके पास इंग्लिश है तो समझो कि पूरा दुनिया आपकी है.
Yes, I want to say something about more why English is important.
Please.
Yes, sir. Because as we see nowadays, a lot of people were educated. They have a lot of degrees, but why they still unemployment?
Yeah.
यस सर. अब लोगों के पास इतने सारे मतलब डिग्रीज वगैरह, फिर भी लोग इतने ज्यादा बेरोजगार क्यों आज के समय में?
क्योंकि कंपनी उन्हीं को हायर करती है जो
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
बढ़िया अंग्रेजी जानता है. सिंपल सी
Yes,
बात
sir.
है. एक लाइन में.
Yes, sir. It is more. It is more.
It is the
most
harsh
important.
reality of every
Yes, sir.
company and our Indian culture as well.
Yes,
इंडिया में जो भी कंपनी है 70 से 80% जो है बाहर की है.
Yes, sir.
इंडियन कंपनी तो है ही नहीं, बहुत कम है.
Yes,
तो
sir.
बाहर की कंपनियां कैसे आपको काम पे रखेंगी जब आपको अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है, राइट? तो ये सही बात है. सस्पेंड है.
That's why I want to say everybody, if you knows English, if you know English very well, that's why you get a job in every field, in every category.
In any category, in every
Yes, sir.
field, in every zone, in every like where, in every like
Yes, sir.
everywhere, if you want to work, so you can be selected easily, right?
Work with foreigners, any person, not it just कि वो foreigners है तो मेरे साथ इंडियन के साथ काम करेगा या नहीं. If you have a skill, then you work with them.
Of course, why not?
No worries about foreigners. ये वो लोग को भी एक स्किल लेवल का पीपल ही चाहिए काम करने के लिए, जिनके पास अच्छा अंग्रेजी बोलने का स्किल हो, जिनके पास अच्छा टेक्निक हो, वही चाहिए ना. पर्सन कोई भी हो, चाहे वो इंडिया का हो या ऑस्ट्रेलिया का हो. They wanted skill in them, not human of any country. Okay.
Right,
So
right,
don't
right.
worries about this thing.
Right now you are speaking with confidence. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
reason behind of your confidence?
Because of you, sir. Because when I come at first time here, then I have fear a lot.
Yeah, you had fear.
Yes,
right?
sir.
That time you had fear.
Yes, sir. Because of you, it removes.
Right now you have become extrovert.
Yes, sir.
Earlier you were introvert.
Introvert.
Right now you have become extrovert.
Yes, sir.
So that's fantastic.
Yes, sir.
I think you can see the difference between present and past. It is called progress. It is called improvement. It is called real success. सफलता क्या है? पैसा कमाना क्या? नहीं, ऐसा तो कभी भी कमा सकता है इंसान, कोई भी काम कर सकते। मेन सफलता है अगर आपने अपने आप को बदल दिया। जो चैलेंज था दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा, जो सबसे बड़ा डर था आपकी लाइफ का, उसको आपने अनकाउंटर कर लिया, जीत लिया। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सफलता और सक्सेस।